Today, I'll show you how to create a simple and professional salary sheet in Microsoft Excel from scratch. We'll add employee details, basic salary, allowances, deductions, and automatically calculate the gross salary, total deduction, and net salary. By the end of this video, you'll have a salary sheet that you can easily use for your office, business, or personal records. First, open a new Excel workbook. In the first row, create these columns: serial number, employee name, basic salary, allowance, overtime, gross salary, tax, other deduction, total deduction, and net salary. These columns will give us everything we need for a basic monthly salary calculation. Now, enter your employee information. For example, let's add 3 employees: John, Sarah, and Mike. Enter their basic salary, allowance, overtime amount, tax, and other deductions. You can add as many employees as you need. The formulas we create next can simply be copied down for all employees. Now let's calculate the gross salary. Click the first gross salary cell and enter this formula: equals basic salary plus allowance plus overtime. In Excel, the formula is C2 plus D2 plus E2. Press Enter. Now drag the fill handle down to apply the same formula to all employees. Excel will automatically calculate the gross salary for each employee. Next, we need to calculate the total deduction. Click the first total deduction cell and enter equals tax plus other deduction. In Excel, type G2 plus H2. Press Enter and drag the formula down. Now Excel will automatically calculate the total deductions for every employee. Now comes the most important calculation: net salary. Net salary is the gross salary minus the total deduction. In the first net salary cell, enter equals F2 minus I2. Press Enter and drag the formula down. And that's it. Excel will automatically calculate the final salary that each employee should receive. Now let's make our salary sheet look professional. Select the heading row and make it bold. Add borders around the entire table. Adjust the column width so all information is clearly visible. For salary columns, apply a proper number or currency format. You can also add a title at the top, such as Monthly Employee Salary Sheet, and include the month and year. A little formatting can make a simple Excel sheet look much more professional. Finally, let's add a total row. Below the employee list, equals sum, C2 to C4. Repeat this for the other salary columns: allowance, overtime, gross salary, deductions, and net salary. Now you have a complete salary summary at the bottom of your sheet. And there you have it, a simple and professional salary sheet in Excel. You can customize the columns, formulas, and deductions according to your company's requirements. Save this template and reuse it every month. Follow for more practical Excel tips and tutorials.